Add rice, moong dal, and a vegetable of your choice which are easily digestible for babies like carrots, green peas, beans, etc. I have added a piece of mutton over here. Instead of mutton, you can also use chicken. Wash them well and then add fresh water. Add pinches of turmeric, and then for digestion add cumin and ajwain seeds, and then finally a little amount of ginger garlic paste, or you can also use freshly grated ginger and a clove of garlic, and then some salt. Now close the lid and pressure cook it well for a couple of whistles. Ensure that everything is cooked well. Add it to the mixer grinder and grind it into a fine smooth paste. The baby food is ready now.